PHA is a Premier Horizon Alliance. It's a publicly listed company in the Philippine Stock Exchange. Over the years, the last 20 years, the company evolved, and what has happened was that the company started to get into different investments in the countryside. The other one is where what we are talking about now is the tourism industry, which is West Palawan Premier. West Palawan Premier has a very big property in Puerto Princesa, and that's the part of our tourism focus on the area. So what we've been doing, we've been developing the area and becoming locals in Palawan, Puerto Princesa. So what we've done was we've started doing major development, and the very first thing that we've done is to look at why Puerto Princesa is key. We've started development in Nagtabon Beach as phase 1 of our whole big project, and we've started a master plan. This master plan was developed over the last year and a half, and we've sort of gone leaps and bounds in terms of what we've done. Right now, we are planning to set up a 5-star hotel. One of our landowners, one of the people that bought property from us in Nagtabon, is planning to start a 5-star hotel in the area. We are the next big development in the area. In fact, we've started consolidating in the property. From a small 5-hectare property in Nagtabon Beach, we are looking to expand to bring it up to probably around 8 to 10 hectares. We want Nagtabon to be a destination. Yes, a lot of people go there. We average close to around 2,000 to 3,000 visitors a month, different nationalities. But it still needs an area to activities to be done. So we're currently doing a study right now on building a beach club. And we've started plans already, the basic plans for probably a CONDOTEL in the area. A CONDOTEL that we plan to offer to a particular section of the market, a tourist market that we hope will come into to Puerto Princesa. We are now inviting all the Co-op members of KsK to be part of this particular project. I think it's an exciting project. Palawan has been voted the best island in the world 3 consecutive years already. So we are inviting all members of KsK, all corporate, to participate in this project. The invitation is there to come and visit. Let us know when you want. We can always show you around and bring you to Nagtabon specifically. And just so that you can see the potential. I cannot begin to justify how beautiful the project is, the area is, just by talking to you now. You really have to see it to believe it.